We season them, see how?
Oh my God, it's burning. Whew. Y'all learn from my mistake. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Tonight we're gonna do some spice organization. So go ahead and grab your screwdriver, your babies, and let's get to it. Say what's up, ATC gang. Say what's up. All right. So we'll see if we can get Boosty to help us with this spice organization. All right, y'all, let's get to it. So I ordered this package of spice containers from Amazon. I will make sure I link it below. So when you open it up, it's pretty cool that it comes with a full sheet of empty labels. And these are chalk labels. So the pack that I bought not only has the chalk labels, and so it has the chalk labels that you can write yourself, and then it has a lot of these labels where it's already, like, you know, filled in for you. But to be honest with you, a lot of these spices, they're not really spices that I would use. They're like your standard paprika, pepper. One of them says Old World seasoning. Not sure what that is. Oh, this is a new one. Okay, we might be able to use this because I previously did my spices before, but it had so many labels for spices that I just did not use. But I see this one says Old Bay seasoning. My boyfriend loves some Old Bay. They have a label that says New York pizza sauce seasoning. So maybe this seller actually, you know, they probably revamped the seasonings over the years. So I like this pack already because it does seem to have a good amount of seasonings we would use. It looks like it has about 20 different varieties for pepper, because one of them says cracked, grind pepper, fine pepper, medium grind, flakes, pepper garlic. Have y'all ever heard of pepper garlic? Or maybe I should say garlic pepper, but the label says pepper garlic. Leave me a comment down below if you've heard of garlic pepper or if you actually utilize it in your home. They even have a label for flaxseed. So they come with these, which I'll try to utilize as many as I can. And then they also give you these labels where it's kind of like clear. Hopefully you can see that a little bit. And then the name of the seasoning is in white. I probably won't use those because I like the appeal of the black labels. And I'm not sure if they give you any clear. No, I was wondering if they gave you any just clear labels where you could print on your own at home. Maybe that's asking for too much. So also what you could do as an alternative, if you have a Cricut, you can also make labels for your bottles from using the Cricut machine. But what we're gonna do is use as many of the black pre-made labels as possible, and then fill in the rest with these blank labels. So along with the blank labels in the box, they sent this white chalk marker. So hopefully that will, you know, be good. And so in here you just have the 24 bottles. And then in the middle, they give you this little funnel thing so you can fill up your seasoning jars with ease without making too much of a mess. I don't actually need all 24, but that's how they came. I probably only need about 6 or 7 because, like I said, I already did my spices years ago. I'm just, you know, adding 2 or whatever. So over here on the counter, we got some spaghetti cooking, y'all. Y'all know that's one of like the easiest meals to make. And especially if you want to have leftovers, make you some spaghetti. So these are my older jars from when I did this before. So I already have some complete. And like I said, over the years, I've gotten more seasonings that I enjoy using. So we're gonna fill up and add to the collection I already have. And this set probably is, I'll have to look on my Amazon, you know, order sheet, but I feel like these bottles have held up pretty great Here are some of the labels, so you can see that you can still see the wording on the labels. These gotta at least be about 3 years old, and then none of the bottles have broken through the years. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and wash out some of the new bottles and start to fill them. And my boyfriend is putting together some shelves so that we can hang the shelves you know, right here beside the stove, because in this kitchen, although it's a little bigger, it has more storage. I have a lot of things. So what I wanted to do was find a system that would not only allow me to have my spices, you know, organized, but also have them functional where I can reach them and have them to be aesthetically pleasing. So the system that I thought was to just put them on shelves over here by the stove area. So they're ultimately going to be housed right here, so I can just, you know, easily reach and grab them. So y'all, let's go ahead with rinsing out some of the containers, the new ones that we got, and then we'll continue from there. If this is y'all's first time on my channel, hello, my name is Cicely. It's so good to meet you. I enjoy filming all types of videos. I like to film videos on home decor, that's my fave. Cleaning, some shop with me videos. Sometimes we'll do vlogs or recipes. And I have sickle cell anemia, so I thought that it was important to just show that if I can make it through life with sickle cell crisis and hospitalizations, I want to encourage you that whatever may be going on in your life, you can get through your day-to-day. You can do it, and we can do it together. So if you want to follow me and my family story, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell, because it will notify you anytime we post a new upload. All right, so I think I'm probably going to take out about 10 jars. 10 should be enough, and if not, we will go from there. We just went to the grocery store, so as you can see, I have the fruit. I have the fruit over here soaking as well, because I started organizing like all types of things. So we have a fruit organizational system. So we're just gonna move that out the way, move this, and start washing these. I'm wondering if I should wash them with the baby bottle brush, or if I should just soak them in the water. So I think I'll, you know, run some water.
Took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Okay, y'all, so now that I got the bottles all rinsed out, I'm just gonna pull all of my seasonings out of my cabinet, and then I'll show y'all what we are working with. I think I probably have about, I don't know, maybe 15 to 20 seasonings. So I'll show you my favorites, and then we will continue going. I'm just curious, how many seasonings on average do you think you have in your pantry? Drop me a comment and let me know.
Love out loud.
Y'all learn from my mistakes.
Luckily it wasn't cold.
I read the reviews, and on the reviews it said that for each seasoning you're gonna have to rinse the funnel out. So me trying to be lazy, I'm like, I ain't about to rinse it out 20 something times, and I blew the blackened seasoning and it went all through my eyes, y'all. I ain't never been pepper sprayed, but Lord have mercy. So don't blow the seasoning out. Wipe it out, rinse it out, do whatever you gotta do, but do not do what I just did. My mama always said when you try to be lazy and take shortcuts, you end up having to do the work twice as much. Oh my God. Y'all, that was a lot. But I'm hard-headed and I'm still not about to rinse this out all these times. Maybe I'm gonna take like a damp cloth and wipe it out. Can't blame nobody but myself for trying to be lazy. So it comes out fairly easy. I just have a damp paper towel. So I guess that's what you could do, is just take a damp paper towel and it'll wipe out the residue. All right, back to what we was doing. Now burnt my eyeballs. At least my boyfriend's making progress. He's not having any issues. Y'all, if y'all could have seen how I hollered. I don't know if that's on camera or not, but Lord, I don't think I ever screamed like that in my life. That was a shock to the system. I'm scared. So we're going to skip over any type of peppers and we're going to go to the everything bagel. Y'all, I put this on bagels, on avocado toast, on a lot of different things. I don't understand why there is no, what you say?
I said, would you say you put it on everything?
My boyfriend. Have y'all heard that commercial? I put that on everything. I think it's a hot sauce commercial. Leave a comment down below if you know what commercial that's for. So I don't recall using this, but there's no sticker, you know, the paper that's on the inside. So if I catch something, y'all, we gonna have to split the settlement check, because I think there's supposed to be a protective label when you open a seasoning. But forget it. Y'all done burnt myself. Lord, I wish I could sue somebody. That'd be the worst, when you injure your own self. So because this is a lot, I could probably fill this up, you know, 2 bottles, but I'll just keep the rest in my reserve. So let me put the cap back on that. Okay, this one, y'all, is a great one. We definitely put this on everything. This is good for barbecuing. The beer can chicken. Try to find that one. It might be at Aldi. No, let me not lie. It's not at Aldi. If I can remember where I found it, I'll link it in the description for y'all. But beer can chicken is great on vegetables and on meat. It don't have to just be chicken. I try to get a variety of seasonings so that I'm not having to use seasoning salt. When I was like, you know, in my 20s and I was learning how to cook, your girl did seasoning salt, garlic, and pepper, and lemon pepper. But, you know, now that I'm seasoned, you know, like with my age, I'm experimenting with different seasonings. And I'm finding out that you don't need to just rely on seasoning salt. That's some rookie stuff. No shade to anybody else that only uses seasoning salt, but just get out there and start experimenting and see what you come up with. Garlic powder. Y'all, that my eyes still burning, like, bruh. That just made me want to repent. I don't know what I did, but Lord, forgive me. It got my nerves bad. I'm over here shaking. So all the garlic filled up. The good thing about these bottles, as y'all can see, with my boyfriend being rude, see, a whole bottle of like a smaller size or normal size seasoning will fill up a whole bottle of these. So we good to go. And what we're gonna do next, let's do this little bit of seasoning salt. Y'all, should I put these in order of like alphabetical order, or should I put them in order of like which ones I use, you know, more frequently? Or I was thinking about lining them up based upon the color, like color coordinating. I don't know, maybe I'm doing too much. Leave me a comment. Should I color coordinate them? Should I put them away based upon like how frequently I use them? Or should I alphabetize? Let your girl know what you would do. So that's those 5. Now I gotta go get some more.
It's deep into my bloodstream, just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close.
So now that I have everything filled, I'm just going to use most of the pre-made labels. And then also, like I said, it comes with the blank ones, so you're good to go. And this was definitely worthwhile. These are all of the empty containers that can be recycled. And then these are the full containers that will go into storage. And here's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be blessed.
I get so lonely, so stay by my side. Come close.